Hi all, this is Tyler Krumpiatek from Canisius. In this video we show faculty how to change the visibility options on individual Dropboxes and discussions. Note, we will only see the visibility options if we add a start or end date to the activity. The overall process is the same for both Dropboxes and discussions. In this tutorial we will focus on a Dropbox. Let's get started. In our D2L course, go to the activity that we want to change the visibility date options for. We will use a Dropbox we created previously, but the process will be the same when we create a new Dropbox. In either case, we need to get to the editor page for the activity. Click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the Dropbox we want to edit. Then select Edit Folder in the menu that appears. From there, click on the Availability Dates and Conditions tab. If we have not already, add a start date or an end date. When we have the start date or the end date, we should see either before start under the start date or after end under the end date. These are followed by some text, the default of which is visible with access restricted. This means that students will be able to see the title of the Dropbox, the start date, and the end date. However, they will not be able to see the directions of the Dropbox nor submit to it until the specific date. If this option is on the end date, they will lose access to the Dropbox. To change this, click on Visible with Access Restricted. A pop-up will appear with several options. We already know what the first one does. The second option, Visible with Submission Restricted, allows students to access the Dropbox. This allows them to see everything that the previous option allowed, and also the prompt. However, they will not be able to submit until the start date. If this option is on the end date, students will lose the ability to submit to the Dropbox after the end date. The third option, Hidden, hides the Dropbox before the start date and after the end date. When we have selected the appropriate options, click on Done in the lower left corner. Additionally, we can change the default for these visibility options. We cover this in a separate tutorial linked in the description. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.